Welcome to Traveling Maniacs channel. Please subscribe and click the bell to get new information.
How Samsonite has made every traveler's life better. There's something magical about travel. You get to visit new places, acquaint yourself with new cultures, soak in never-before experiences, and not to forget, flood your Instagram with beautiful pictures. The interesting part about travel is that while the destinations keep changing, the thing that remains constant is your luggage. It doesn't matter what kind of traveler you are, your luggage is like your true travel companion that goes with you wherever you go. Over the years, luggage bags have constantly evolved to suit the lifestyle of the modern-day traveler. The one company that has kept up with the times and done so with aplomb and suaveness is Samsonite. They have been synonymous with travel for 108 years now and boast of an enviable legacy. However, do you know how it all began? Well, this video has you covered. It chronicles the evolution of Samsonite and is as entertaining as it's insightful. Wasn't that some great dose of nostalgia? Starting from 1910, the era of comedy, the video begins by telling us how Samsonite introduced the strongest trunk of its times. The Samson trunk was a great beginning, and once Samsonite won the trust of travelers, they came up with the Streamlight, the lightweight suitcase for smart travelers. In the 1960s, Samsonite launched Saturn, a suitcase made of high-impact material which could withstand any potential damage. So far, so good, isn't it? However, it was in the 1970s that something game-changing happened. Samsonite came up with their wheeled suitcase silhouette and changed the way people travel. Ever since then, walking through airport terminals and train stations has been a breeze. Years rolled by, but the innovation didn't stop. The 1990s saw the introduction of Ziplight, a suitcase with a zipper, and in 2000, you had the aluminium suitcase Xylem. As travelers grew more and more intrepid, the one feature they didn't want to compromise while choosing their luggage was ease of handling. Samsonite knew the ropes, and to this end, they launched their four-wheeled suitcases called Crusair. The next chapter in their evolution story was in 2008, when they introduced the strongest, lightest and very fashionable Cosmolite in the market. This was also the year when the company dazzled one and all with their Swarovski-studded suitcase. Fast forward to 2018, Samsonite has delighted travelers with yet another innovation, the Easy Brake system in the Polygon series. Thanks to this feature, you can ensure that your luggage doesn't slide down slopes or get generally pushed around. It's been 108 years and counting now that Samsonite has been delighting travelers, and we can't wait to see where they go from here. As for you, we know that you're already tempted to plan your next trip. What are you waiting for then? Take your Samsonite.
Thanks for watching to Traveling Maniacs channel. Please subscribe and click the bell to get new information.